Hello, my name is Cristian Soare, and this is my audio modulated Tesla coil. A Tesla coil is a type of resonant transformer which produces very high voltage at a resonant frequency. Now what I've got here is an induction coil from a car which I've brought to resonance with this capacitor battery. And this is the terminal point and the ground to which the electricity will be discharging. I'll be controlling this coil with my software here. What I've got here is the main program, and let's see here. These are, I don't think if you can see, you're fine. But what we've got here is the options menu. Now in my program, what we've got here is the main program and the options menu, from which I can select the resonant frequency, the duty cycle if it's a square wave, and the format of the square wave, a sine wave or a square wave. Now the signal produced by my computer is transmitted to this amplifier. I'll be soon using a more powerful and smaller amplifier to power the coil, 100 watts or so. So let's begin. For the first act, if I can say that, I'll generate a simple sine wave at 6 kHz, the resonant frequency of my coil, and you can see the result here. So we click just electrify, and we got the plasma discharge. Okay, and by modulating the sine wave, we could also generate music here. From my file menu, I've created a monophonic music creator. So what I've got here is where I complete the music patterns. Let's load something already made. Okay, so what we've got here is the note steps in our octave. We've got C, C sharp, and so on and so forth. We've completed the table with millisecond impulses. For example, we have 50 millisecond note, then a pause of 200 milliseconds, and so on. You can see that the editor is very simple to use. You can browse through the formations of the notes and eventually export them to an audio file. Let's say this .wav, and then load it in the player. Alright, click it, and then we can play it. Okay, so the music composer works. The software is also capable of creating dynamic sounds through this piano right here. You can play whatever you want here, and the program auto modulates it at the resonant frequency of the coil so that it can produce music.